Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag and BoxyCharm. I feel like I just did one of these for November, but it's also because of the way shipping's been for the holidays. So we are gonna unbox December and dive in and see what was sent to me. Now you guys, before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications, new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to hit a big thumbs up. But if you guys want to see what I got in my December subscription boxes, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, we're gonna start out with Glam Bag. It's usually sample sizes or deluxe samples, so I figured we would start out there. Now, it's pretty hefty. Oh, something didn't make it in the bag. Let's see. There's no card, so no details. Is it in the bag? Oh, it's in here. Okay, love that, because now I have some details about the products. All right, so the first thing that didn't make it in the bag, this is the 𝐿𝐹 Skin Sun Touchable, the invisible sunscreen, 35 or SPF 35, sun protection and blurring primer. Oh, okay. That's cool. So this is a full size, right? I think so. This retails for $14. Completely clear multitasking sunscreen helps protect skin while it primes, creating a velvety smooth finish that blurs imperfection and grips makeup for long-lasting wear. Infused with soothing and hydrating ingredients, clean SPF 35 formula disappears on all skin types with zero white cast or greasy feel. That's fantastic. I'm gonna have to try this out. I'm really excited. I don't think I ever would have thought to pick it up myself because I'm always weary of, like, I'll do skincare that has SPF in it, but then do a regular primer. I'm intrigued. Now, let's see. Wasn't this adorable little bag? This is so cute. Oh, we have the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Blushing Bride. This is a deluxe sample. Full size retails for $30. Oh, look how cute. Okay, and this one's very pale. That is so cute. I love the Tarte Amazonian Clay blushes. I tried to put them all into one. Super cute. We have All Moringa Moisturizing Cream for the face. Full size retails for $89. This is a deluxe sample. Jasmine scented cream, feather light, leaves skin velvety smooth, nourished and renewed, packed with antioxidants as well as anti-aging and anti-inflammatory properties from moringa oil so skin stays protected, soothed, and supple. Interesting. And this is day and night moisturizer. I don't know how I feel about jasmine scented. Interesting. We have Toy Factory. What is this? Toy Factory Dream Set Highlighter in Bish. Full size retails for $42. Let's see. This is like sealed good. Let's grab my little doohickey. Oh, it's so tiny. Look how cute it is. That is a really pretty shade. I always need like a little like tiny highlighter for my makeup bag when I travel. Hyaluronic acid, niacinamide. Okay, so it's got hydrating effects in it. Or hydrating products. And the last item. Ooh, Marc Anthony Strictly Curls Define and Hold Flex Gel. I have wavy hair. I don't have curly hair. Deluxe sample. Full size retails for $10. Instant definition, shine, and flexible hold for curls and coils. Styling gel will deliver it all without the crunchy feel. Keeps every curve and contour of your tendrils while remaining touchably soft, frizz-free, and bouncy all day long. I'll have to see if I have anyone that has curly hair and see if they want this, because it doesn't make sense for me to keep it if I don't have curly hair. Okay, you guys, that is the Glam Bag. I don't usually tally this up only because it's deluxe samples and sometimes a full-size product, but we're gonna dive into BoxyCharm. Okay, you guys, and now on to BoxyCharm. All right, so Unwrap Joy. This, let's see, is there any, oh, it looks like there's some details on what's in here. Not pricing. So I'm gonna have to go into the app anyways. That's fine, nothing wrong with that. I'll just pull up the app. Okay, the first thing that's in here, this is my beauty boost. This is the Pat McGrath Labs Divine Rose Luxe Quad in Eternal Eden. Retails for $62. And I get to choose my beauty boost. I don't know, it's not giving me the other options. I already have this. I've also received it in the past, but this is gonna go into the giveaway box. Such a good color story. Really love Pat McGrath Labs. Like, her eyeshadows are so good. But there must have been a reason. I can't remember like what other items were the Beauty Boost suggestions, but I chose it for a reason. Like, it's gonna go in the giveaway. Okay, next we have, ooh, Natasha Denona Rose and Wood palette. Oh, I picked this. This retails for $48. Ooh, I don't have this one. I know why I picked this. It's all neutrals, and I don't have it in my collection. So one for you guys and one for me. These shades are absolutely stunning. I'm excited for this. I love Natasha Denona shadows. That's 2 eyeshadow palettes. I like that. We're starting off good here. We have from Appeal, Hydrating Eyeshadow Primer. Hydrating? That does not sound good for my eyes. So I don't know how I feel about a hydrating eyeshadow primer. I'm oily as it is, and then to add in hydration on my eyelids. This retails for $21. I don't think I'm keeping this because it just doesn't, like, the idea of it makes me nervous. Like, my makeup's gonna like slip off and not stay. Next we have the 𝐕𝐈𝐃𝐄𝐒 Game Face Second Skin Concealer All-Star. This retails for $22. Ooh, it looks like it's a shade that I could use. Let's see, what does it say it's supposed to do? MVP worthy concealer, powerhouse blend of skincare and flawless coverage, infused with aloe stem cell extract to help soothe and hydrate, rosehip oil to lock in moisture, and sea buckthorn oil for a rejuvenating vitamin boost. Delivers a natural crease-proof finish. All-Star is a light medium shade with neutral balanced undertones. Okay, I mean, that's my shade, so I'm interested to try it out. I don't think I've tried anything from 𝐕𝐈𝐃𝐄𝐒 before. We have from Ofra, Verified Liquid Liner. I guess I picked this one as well. This retails for $20. It's a lot of packaging just for that. All right, and this is supposed to be a black liquid liner. Ooh, so it is a bristle tip. Oh, it's a very fine line. Nice, okay. And then the last thing in here, we have the Ciate London Cherry Bomb Blush and Highlighter Palette. Super cute. This retails for $28. Packaging is adorable. Ooh, okay. So you have 2 blushes and 2 highlighters. I'm intrigued by this shade. Like, it's very deep for being a highlighter, but those are really pretty. Interesting. All right, let me go ahead and total up this box and see how much everything costs. Okay, you guys, this box totaled $201. That is fantastic. I do not spend anywhere near that when it comes time for BoxyCharm or Ipsy Glam Bag, and I am so excited when I get my boxes. It's kind of like a little Christmas treat to myself. Sometimes I remember what I picked, sometimes I don't. Sometimes it's surprises, but the things that I got in here, I'm really excited for. Some I like know the brands and absolutely love them. Others I've received in the past and I get to pass them on to you guys. And then others I've never tried before. Some of them I've heard of and some of them I haven't. But I'm excited to try them out and see if they fit into my daily routine. But you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below. We'll have that conversation. Before you leave, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.